Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the mini polygonal. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. It's the second and fourth letters that are the same today. That probably means they're going to be vowels, something like motor. Or the thing that I'm actually going to be starting with, 7. Because I think E is more common than A or O as the duplicated letter, but I mean, there are hundreds of options, so we just need to start putting some things in and getting some more information. The E's are correct, but absolutely nothing else is. So we're probably not needing any more vowels, so let's focus on the consonant situation. Oh, it's not repel or leper, but at least we do have the L now. So is that going to be first or third? That is the question. Melee is the only thing that springs to mind, and it's definitely wrong because we don't have an E in position 5. So I need to get that out of my head. What am I going to go for instead, though? That is the question. L-E blank E blank or blank E-L-E blank. What could the word be in either of those cases? That's what I'm struggling to work out. If it was the R that we had, then I could go for beret. But I cannot see what we can do with the L, which is a bit sad because it's making me have a very slow solve. We're well outside the minute. It can't even be something like bevel because the L is not last. What are we doing? L-E blank E blank. Is that an option? It sort of looks like legend, but without the N. But I'm pretty sure that's not a word. Or, let's try the alternative, which is that arrangement. Billet. I don't think that's a word. Or delet. I don't know what this word could be, which is interesting. What am I going to do? I'm not going to go for something that's definitely wrong. Does it accept that? I didn't think it would be. I didn't think it would be correct. I just wanted to test a few more letters, whilst also going for something that theoretically could be correct. I mean, I feel like that last letter's a D. I just need to work out the right thing to have a past tense of, if you see what I mean. Lexed or legged. But obviously it doesn't quite work like that. Yelled. But again, it doesn't work like that either. What is this word? What is the last letter? I mean, it feels like it's a D, but it could be a T. There's probably other things it could be. Is that a word? No. I might be saying, is that a word? Quite a lot in the next few seconds. Oh, that's a shame. What could this middle thing be to make a word? I really don't know. How confusing. Is it a word I haven't heard of? Is it a word that's only used in America? Or am I just having one of those days where I just cannot see something obvious? I don't know. Interesting. Is that the past tense of below? Clearly not, but you know, I wanted to go for it. Maybe it would have accepted it. Delet. That's not a word. We need an E on the end. Telex? I think that's a word. Or an abbreviation. Oh, we've got the L in the right place, but that still doesn't help, does it? We've ruled out the T, so the T is not first or last. What on earth is delec? Is that an abbreviation for delectable? Clearly not. So, what are we doing instead? How confusing. D or B? I want to spell belief like that, but that's clearly wrong as well. Oh dear. I don't want to go for just 5 new letters just to get more information. But at some point I'm going to have to go for something. Celia? I think C-I-L-I-A is a word, but not with E's. I do not know what is going on. Melade? Meld? Geld would be spelt with a double L as well, wouldn't it? Yeah. Nothing is a word. What on earth is going on today? How strange. Do I just go for 5 new letters? What choice do I have? There's a C at the front. Well, I still don't know what the word is. Oh, celeb! I feel like I should have got that earlier, but at the same time, it's definitely an abbreviation. That was not a nail biter. I still had a whole guess in hand. Being slagged off by the game now. 480 words matched that pattern, and I feel like that was probably one of the more difficult ones. But I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle. If you did, hit the like button. And thank you for sticking with me to the end. That's the mini Polygonle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.